Happy Monday. This is your top producer, Straight Up Mike. I'm here to explain a little bit about car insurance. All right, so I don't know if you guys knew, but bodily injury is not coverage for you. That is coverage for the other person. If you get in an at-fault accident, it pays for the other person's medical payments. So for it to be explained in your policy, let's say, for example, you have 10-20. That is 10,000 per person, 20,000 per occurrence. So if two people get hurt in the car, the most they'll pay out per person is 10,000. The total amount they'll pay is 20,000. Now let's talk about property damage. Let's say you have 10, 20, 10. That extra 10 at the end is for the other person's property damage. So if you create any damage to the other person due to your fault in the accident, the most your policy will cover is 10,000 for the other person's property damage. Now you may be wondering, what about myself? Well, I'll explain that to you. If you have comprehensive and collision coverage, you have coverage for your property's damage, but there may be a deductible. Now, what does that mean? The deductible is a set limit amount, a face amount that you have to come out of pocket in order for the insurance to pay for the rest of your damages. So let's say, for example, you have a 500 comprehensive collision deductible, right? Well, let's say the damages are 5,000 to your property. Well, you have to come out of pocket 500 first, and they will pay the rest. Very simple, very easy. But Straight Up Mike, what does comprehensive mean? Well, comprehensive means anything out of your control, any act of God, theft, vandalism, you get hit by a deer, a tree falls on your car, any act of God, anything that is out of your control, it pays for your property damage. Now you ask me, what's collision coverage mean then? Collision is very simple. You get in a collision with another car, you get in a collision with something else, that covers your property damage. And you make a claim on your own insurance for that. Now let's say, for example, someone hits you and they're at fault. You make a claim on their insurance. You don't make a claim on your insurance, you make a claim on their insurance for your property damage and for your medical payments. Look, you learn something new every day. Happy Monday. Your top producer, Straight Up Mike.